I want to begin by saying this, and I guess this sort of establishes the premise of everything I say. Evolution is an impossibility. If you remember that, you'll understand that we're left with no alternative but creation. Evolution cannot occur. And we have been examining why in the last couple of messages. We have been discussing the impossibility of evolution, particularly from the viewpoint of information theory. And I've been telling you that every living thing has a DNA code. Every living organism has a genetic code programmed with the exact information to produce, preserve, and repair that living thing. It has no less than that necessary information and no more than that necessary information. The genes in every organism limit that organism to what it is. It cannot be less than it is, and it cannot be more than it is. There is no genetic information to transform it into something other than what it is. The Bible talks about kinds of living things that can reproduce after their own kind. And that essentially is saying the same thing. There can be variations within a kind, but not anything beyond that. Science has tried to tell us that evolution is a process called mutation, that living organisms have the capacity to mutate, simply means to change. But you need to understand this. Mutations do not change the nature or the kind of any living organism. They don't make it anything other than it is. What mutations involve, and this is important, is always a loss of existing information. There is never a gain of information. Mutations never add new genetic information. Mutations, therefore, do not work toward an upward evolutionary process.